Welcome back to our YouTube series where we dive into the world of Instagram marketing. In today's video, we are going to talk about which Instagram accounts you should be following to stay ahead in your marketing game. So, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. The number one thing that you can do to have success on Instagram is to follow some top accounts in your niche so you can really understand how they have laid out their profile, what information they are putting there, and most importantly, what content are they putting out that is getting a huge amount of engagements. So to find those top accounts, what you want to do is come to the search tab in Instagram and type the account's name right in the top here, or start to look for some keywords in your business. So let's just imagine that I have a digital marketing firm. So I could just type in something like digital marketing. Now what I want to make sure that I'm selecting here not just the top post or hashtags, but in particular we want to look at individual people here. So if we see here, so the first one, digital marketing agency online, is a verified account. So let's just look into it. So see how many followers they have. See the way they laid out their profile. They are using some emojis here. They have got a link to their website, and most importantly, the type of content they are putting out. So now this is probably the best way for you to understand the Instagram for you. If there are people here getting engagement in their content, you can also be guaranteed that you could do the same things as well. So let's click into some of their content and see how much engagement they are getting. So see, this is one reel and they got 843 likes, which is a pretty good number. Let's see this one. Okay, so here they got 174 likes. And there is a little add more symbol. So we can get a list of these similar accounts on the similar topic. So if I click see all, you will get the complete list of the similar accounts. So let's look into this marketing psychology. So here also you can see they have a pretty good number in their followers, and the engagement is also quite good, 291k likes in this video. So already I'm building up a very clear idea of how to do it well, and you can see that even for this type of business, there isn't a requirement for you to appear hugely on camera all the time and be like an Instagram celebrity who is beautiful and doing makeup. There are other possibilities for using Instagram to market a business, and that's why I wanted to start with something a bit more than that you wouldn't think would be perfectly for Instagram. But you can see here huge following, getting a huge amount of engagement on posts. So if I wanted to get into this niche, then I go ahead and follow him. And even from here, I can go ahead and add more people and start to find the similar accounts there, and even it's gonna be showing me some popular people. So it's gonna take a while for you to go ahead and click through to find those top accounts that you can follow. If will take you maybe 10 minutes and to find 5 accounts, but this short exercise is really gonna accelerate your success on Instagram, because you are gonna be modeling people who are already successful on the platform. And as you can probably guess or know, this is just the fastest straight line to success. So what I would recommend you is to come into the search tab of Instagram, type in your keyword or any top profile on Instagram that you may already aware of, and go in there. And from that one account, you can find 4 other accounts to follow, and then their information is start to appear in your newsfeed. So as you can see, since I have followed this account, so their post is coming in my feed. So you're gonna be constantly updated with whatever posts they pop out. That's gonna be your news feed, and that's a great way for you to track those top accounts just by coming into the home section. So go ahead now and follow 5 accounts on Instagram. This is the quickest way that you're gonna accelerate your success because it will tell you how to lay out your account and the exact type of content that you should be posting to get engagements as well. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe and stay tuned.